To start a new document in Word, you can just begin typing, but there are many features that it's important to be aware of. In this lesson, you'll type and edit text. We're going to be creating this short memo. So let's get started. In step 1, I'll type Quest Specialty Travel. And then I'll press the Enter key 2 times. Each time you press Enter, the insertion point moves to the start of the next line. In step 2, I'll type 2 followed by a colon, and then I'll press the Tab key twice to move the insertion point several spaces to the right. In step 3, I'll type QST Managers, and then I'll press Enter just once. In step 4, I'll type From. I'll press Tab 2 times. I'll type Ron Dawson. I'll press Enter, and then I'll continue typing this memo header. Now in step 5, I'll start typing the main body text of the memo. And when I get to the date here, as soon as I hit the spacebar, Word automatically formats the TH as superscript, so it looks more professional. This feature is called autocorrect, and it automatically detects and adjusts typing errors, certain misspelled words, and incorrect capitalization as you type. It also makes typographical adjustments such as this one. Now I'll just finish this sentence. Then I'll press the space bar, and in step 6, I'll continue typing the next sentence. You'll notice that when I reach the right margin of the page, I can just keep typing, and the text continues on the next line. This is a feature called Word Wrap, and it automatically moves the insertion point to the next line when you reach the right margin. This means that you only need to press the Enter key when you want to start a new paragraph or insert a blank line. I'll keep going. And when I type the first few characters of the word September, Word's autocomplete feature displays the complete word in a screen tip. Autocomplete is a feature that suggests text to insert quickly into your document. To accept the suggested word, you can just press Enter, which is what I'll do now. But you can also ignore autocomplete and just keep typing. In step 7, to start a new paragraph, I'll press Enter. As you can see, this adds more space between the paragraphs than between the lines within a paragraph. This is part of the default style for paragraphs in Word, called the normal style. We'll learn more about working with styles in a later lesson, so I'll keep typing. And by the way, the red wavy line under Hekeda indicates a possible spelling error. This is Word's automatic spelling and grammar checking, and these lines only appear on screen, not when you print. I want to make a couple small edits to the memo, so in step 8, I'll position the mouse pointer after the word for in the last line of this paragraph. Then I'll click, which moves the insertion point to this location. Then in step 9, I'll press the backspace key 3 times to erase the word for, and then I'll type to depart in. Now in step 10, I'll show you another way to delete text. I'll click to move the insertion point before the word staff, and this time I'll press the Delete key 6 times. This removes the word along with the space after it. So pressing the backspace key erases a character to the left of the insertion point, while pressing the Delete key erases a character to its right. The text for our memo is complete, and we'll continue working with it in the next lesson. To try these steps yourself and for some additional tips, and to see a table that reviews the autocomplete, autocorrect, and spelling and grammar features, Turn to page Word 6 in your book.